Hello traders, today is the first trading day of the month, 1st of September 2021 and Wednesday. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Okay, so Euro USD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, as you can see here, yesterday we had a very small short trade, and looks like, as always, the price you can see here as soon as the price break the previous high. So we were expecting here, if the price gonna break, then we're gonna keep taking a short trade here. But this morning, as you can see here, bullish engulfing candle at the support level, which is 118,000, which is a big psychological number. We were long and banked beautiful profit, and also we long at the New York session after the news release. All right, so let me share with you guys how I analyze market here in intraday and help my traders to bank profit. If you look at the intraday analysis, if you look at this morning, and this was the analysis I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. So more likely we were expecting breakout of this previous low, or otherwise the breakout of this one, as mentioned on the analysis. As always, if the price gonna break the recent high, as mentioned here, so we can see here price was above the 200 EMA. Look at in 4 hour, the price was at the major support level. We explained to trader, look, prices keep respecting 118,000 level. And if you look at here, we explained to trader, price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, and the best way to look for if the price gonna break the previous high. So that's why we had it. And as always, the first target nicely hit. That's the fib channel. That was the London morning session trade. And if I show you at the New York session, because we were waiting for the news, once we bank some profit, we explained to my trader, let's wait the news to be released. That's the PMI news, we're expecting it. And explained to trader, if the news, according to the news, these are the opportunities, either breakout, pullback, or this breakout. So technically we were looking this pattern breakout. We already had the bias was developed because the price nicely respected 118,000 level, and then we were expecting a possibility of breakout long. As you can see here, price nicely broken. And as I always mention, that the first target is always be the fib channel, as you can see here, or the previous high, which you can see here, price nicely hit. As soon as the price hit this level, as explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying pipping and bank beautiful pips, as you can see on Euro USD. Again, we analyze in 4 hour, define the price action chart, and then based on the candlestick pattern, we had a confirmation, and that's based on that we analyze in intraday and bank beautiful pips on Euro USD. All right, so let me share with you the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar 4 hour chart, we had this reversal yesterday, and as always, you can see here the price nicely respected this support level. And if you look at this candle, again, bullish engulfing candle this morning, London morning, and we were long from here. So beautiful long trade here, and explain to my trader again, the target would be 138,000 level, which price nicely almost hit this level. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday this opportunity and help my traders to bank some profit. Okay, so let me share with you guys. Okay, so based on this was the analysis I did at the Asian session, as you can see here. So we had a very small breakout because we were expecting if the price gonna break, then we're gonna be taking a nice short trade here. But as you can see, price did nicely broke out, and afterwards price came back, and technically we came out at the break even. And this morning I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. And because the price was keep respecting this this fib channel, as you can see here, and just before the news, I explained to my trader, look at this price action, and this price action exactly almost the same like a Euro USD. You can see here inverted head and shoulder pattern, and price keep respecting this level. And the safest way, if the price is going to break the previous high, you can see in intraday we have the confirmation here. We have the bullish engulfing candle at the support level, possibility reversal, and explain to my trader the target would be around 138,000 level. As you can see here, price nicely broken, As soon as the price about to hit this level, and we explain to trader, it's time to enjoying pipping. So we can see here we had a beautiful long trade pound dollar based on the 4-hour price action, and through the intraday analysis refine our entries and exit. Okay, so dollar CAD, if you look at the dollar CAD this morning, we had a short trade here. As I said to you yesterday, guys, I'm still waiting to price break out this level, and as you can see here, price keep respecting it. So but within the range, as I said to you guys, we are intraday. We managed to bank few pippies. We had a beautiful short trade this morning. We have this breakout and bank few pips as soon as, and then we had a small long trade. I'm not sure still holding it, but we had this long trade here. So right now, let's see here if this candle is going to finish as a bullish engulfing candle, then probably going to be hit. Am I going to hit this level? So let's see how it goes. But let me share with you guys how I did an analysis in intraday and help my traders to bank few pippies. If you look at this morning, this is the London, just before London open. I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the support level, which price nicely respected in 4-hour, that's why we explained to try to bank some profit and look for another pullback. As you can see, after the breakout, price nicely came back and developed another pullback. We have another pullback short trade here. As soon as the price was about to develop a double bottom at this support level in 4-hour, that's why we explained to my trader, guys, it's time to bank some profit. More likely price might going to respect here. And the news was about to release. I said, let's see the news reaction, and then we're going to take a trade accordingly. And I did another analysis instantly. As you can see here, I explained to trader, look, based on the news, if the news is bad for dollar, probably going to be seeing a pullback short trade here or breakout. As explained to my trader, otherwise, if the news is good for the dollar, then probably going to be taking a breakout long here. As you can see, the news was good. As you can see here, last I think 3 p.m. London time, we have a ASM manufacturer PMI, which is good. So we had a breakout long trade here. As soon as the price hit to our first target, another fib channel, and what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. Even if you look at here, this is the resistance level. Explain to trader to bank some profit, and some of the traders are still holding. Let's see how that's gonna go. But if you look at here, if the price gonna stay above that previous high is broken, so looking here, so technically how we can see here another wedge has been developed. Let's see how that's gonna go. But we managed beautiful pips at the London morning session. We had amazing trades, especially we had a breakout beautiful long trade on Aussie dollar. Let me share with you the ordered Aussie dollar. You can see here, this was the beautiful breakout trade here. After the breakout, we have another beautiful pullback long trade here. We had an amazing trade. We had another beautiful trade on pound yen, sorry, euro yen. This was the trade. Let me share with you guys quickly. Okay, so this is the trade we had it last night. When I see the momentum is developing bullish here in 4-hour, explain to trader, look for this breakout. You can see here we have another breakout, we have another pullback, and beautiful long trade on euro yen. Again, that based on the price action on 4-hour. So all right guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis. As I said to you guys, the most important thing is you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time and developing your trading skill in real time. Once you develop your trading skill in this virtual platform, I can also help you to get funded from top firms. If you are interested how I help my traders through live intraday analysis in real time to develop their trading skill and how I help them to get funded, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, and till next time, all the best.